Quiz app with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript and affiliate marketing tips introduction. Hey there, future web developers. Are you ready to build your first real-world project and learn how to monetize it? In this video, we'll guide you through creating a simple but powerful quiz app using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript and show you smart affiliate strategies you can use to earn while you learn. Section 1. Online quizzes are a fantastic way to engage users, whether for fun, education, or feedback. You'll learn how to structure your quiz using HTML, style it with CSS, and make it interactive using JavaScript. Then, we'll explore how to pair your quiz with affiliate links to boost your income. Section 2. Getting started with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Visuals of HTML, CSS. To start your web development journey, focus on mastering 3 core technologies: HTML, the structure of your content; CSS, the style and layout; and JavaScript, the interactivity and logic. Start small like with this quiz app and build from there. Over time, you'll be able to take on more complex projects. Section 3. The project, quiz app. Let's break it down. HTML gives the quiz structure, the questions, answers, and buttons. CSS styles it with colors, fonts, and layout. JavaScript handles everything from score calculation to switching questions. This project helps you understand DOM manipulation, event handling, and basic logic, all key to becoming a developer. Section 4. Affiliate marketing tips. Now, here's how to turn your project into passive income. Tech quiz. Link to gadgets on Amazon or eBay. Coding quiz. Promote IHT the Gambia. Tips. And Coursera or Udemy courses. Results-based suggestions. Score below 50%. Recommend beginner HTML, CSS books. Score above 80%. Suggest advanced JavaScript books. Don't forget hosting tools like Bluehost or Hosting are great for tech audiences. Section 5. Bonus tips. Boost visibility by making your quiz shareable. Add social share buttons so users can post their scores. Deploy your quiz using GitHub pages or Netlify. Share it with friends, on forums, or your blog. Conclusion and CTA. Building a quiz app teaches you the core skills of web development, and combining it with affiliate marketing can turn it into a side income. Whether you're linking coding books, online courses, or tech gadgets, this strategy works. Ready to get started? Watch the full tutorial and check the description for affiliate resources you can start using today.